Good morning, students. This is English Reader for Class 2, Lesson 2, The Lost Chicken. Summary. Smiley is very naughty at times. He does not listen to his mother. He leaves the house. A hen has 3 chickens. The 3 chickens sleep under her wings at night. They hop in the garden during the day. The hen always used to warn her chickens that do not go outside alone. The hen calls her chickens by her names such as Sweetie, Spotty, Smiley. Sweetie and Spotty were good, but Smiley is not like them. He wants to go and see the outside world. So children, in this chapter, this is the story of mother hen and 3 chickens, in which the 3 chickens are Sweetie, Spotty and Smiley. So Sweetie and Spotty, they were good. They used to obey her mother. But Smiley, he was very notorious, very naughty, and he always wanted to go outside and see the world. One day he does not ask his mother and walks out of the house. He likes the world outside. So one day, without informing her mother, he went outside and he walked away from the house and moved towards the outer place to see the outside. Suddenly he meets a horse standing near a tree. So suddenly he met a horse which was standing near a tree. The horse asked the Smiley that where is he going? You are so small, and suggested him that don't walk on the street alone and go back home. So that horse was asking that Smiley that where you are going, and if you are alone then please go back to your home. Smiley keeps on walking and soon it becomes dark. So Smiley did not listen to that horse and started continuing his walking, and soon it became dark. He was feeling hungry. He saw a mouse and asked politely for something to eat. So next he met with a mouse and he was asking to him that if he had anything to eat then please let him eat. So what kind of reply the mouse gave? I have nothing to give you, answered the mouse rudely. So that mouse was answering him very rudely in a bad behavior. He was too tired to walk. It was getting dark. He was scared and hungry too. So from the whole day he was walking and roaming here and there. So now it is getting dark, evening, and he was hungry and feeling scared. Now he wanted to go back to his mother. Suddenly a man came and lifted him up. The man put his hand gently on him to make him warm. So suddenly a man came and he was gently rubbing his hand on the Smiley to make him comfortable, make him warm. He started walking and reached a house. Smiley was surprised. It was his house. So that particular man was taking Smiley with him, and it was surprise for Smiley that it was his house in front of the man was standing. The man set Smiley down on the ground, and there stands Mother Hen. Smiley cried and said, I am so alone without you. So as soon as he met with his mother, Smiley was crying and he said that he was so alone without her. So children, the moral of the story is whenever our parents are advising something or giving us or telling us something, we should obey them. We should not go beyond them. We should not go against with them. We should always respect them and obey their commands. Word meaning: street, a public road in a city or town. Polite, respectful. Rudely, bad mannered. Hug, hold tightly in your arms. Surprised, feeling something sudden. Opposites: found, lost, day, night, out, in, good, bad, outside, inside, near, far, polite, rude, down, up. Fill in the blanks. A hen has dash chickens. 3. Smiley meets a dash standing near a tree. Horse. I have nothing to give you, answers the dash rudely. Mouse. The man puts his dash gently on him to make him warm. Hand. The dash hugs Smiley tightly. Hen. Answer the question. How is Smiley different from Spotty and Sweetie? He wants to go and see the outside world. Why does Smiley like the outside world? The outside world looks nice to him. Whom does Smiley ask for something to eat? Smiley asked a mouse for something to eat. Who carries Smiley home? The man carried Smiley home. What are the 3 names of the chickens? The 3 names are Smiley, Spotty, Sweetie. Why does Smiley want to go back home? He wanted to go back to his mother. So on the basis of this chapter, just go through it, revise it and write it down in your notebook and learn it. Thank you.